Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the no fuss stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, how to make the single crochet stitch, and the double crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make an even number of chains. I have already made 22 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 single crochet into the second chain from your hook. You're now going to make 1 single crochet into each chain across. And that is how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 1 chain. Into the first stitch of this row, make a single crochet. Into the next stitch, make a double crochet. Into the next stitch, make a single crochet. Into the next stitch, make a double crochet. We're now going to continue alternating between making a single crochet and double crochet into each stitch across for the rest of our row. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 1 chain. For row 3, we're simply going to be working 1 single crochet into each stitch across. And that's how row 3 is looking. You would now alternate between rows 2 and 3 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the no fuss stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.